In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error code 0xc0000098 in Windows 11. So this should be quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first we build the BCD file manually because this is a BCOD error to fix your computer. You need it. Step 1, prepare installation media. Step 2, change boot sequence to USB DVD. The common keys include F2, F12, delete, or escape. Also boot Windows using the installation media. Insert the installation media USB or DVD and restart your computer. Then hit enter in the command branch and type this one by one. Hit Y to select yes, then hit enter. 3. Perform the chkdsk escape command. As you can see, this is how you can run this command by following all these steps. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.